Hi, hello, welcome to Anandi's Cuisine. Today's recipe is Aloo Tikki Mini Pizza. I love pizza and I adore Aloo Tikki. So why not combine the two and create a new version of mini pizza? Heat a non-stick pan on medium-low heat. Once a little warm, add 1 teaspoon oil and 1.5 tablespoon unsalted butter. Once the butter starts to sputter and foam, at once add 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped, and half teaspoon asafoetida. Saute all three well for 30 seconds. Next, add 2 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, 1.5 teaspoon grounded cumin powder, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chili powder or according to taste, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon grounded black pepper powder, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Reduce the heat to low and roast the spices for 1 minute. Next, add 1/3 cup blanched green peas. Bring back the heat to medium and saute the peas for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1.5 kg boiled potatoes. Refrigerate the boiled potatoes for 6 to 8 hours before grating and adding them. Do not forget this step as this will prevent the tikkis from being too soggy. Mix the potatoes, the peas and the spices well. Sprinkle some salt and once again mix well. Next, add 3/4 cup thick and well washed flat rice or known as poha. Cook the poha well with the rest of the ingredients for about 2 minutes. It is easier to shape the aloo tikkis when the mixture is still warm. I am using a cookie cutter to make the aloo tikki pizza base. You can use anything you have at home to make an even and round pizza base. I will recommend the mini pizza should be between 9 to 10 centimeters in diameters. Do the rest of the tikkis in the same method. Around 10 aloo tikkis can be formed in this much of the potato mixture and with the size I have recommended. To hold the shape better when coating and frying them, refrigerate the tikkis for 30 to 45 minutes. Next, we will need 3 types of coatings. For the first coating, in a bowl add 1/3 cup cornstarch and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Blend the two well. For the second coating, in a bowl add 2/3 cup cornstarch, 2/3 cup maida, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder, and finally 2 teaspoon oil. Blend everything well. Next, pour between 3/4 cup to 1 cup cold water. Keep whisking until lump free and you get the consistency as shown in the video. For the final coating, I have used around 3.5 to 4 cups of cornflakes. Use the pulse mode and stop before the flakes become too fine. And I prefer cornflakes over breadcrumbs as the tikkis turn crispier. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and mix the two well. Take 1 aloo tikki patty, dust it well with the first coating and make sure the whole patty is covered well. Then dip the patty gently into the second coating and finally place it in the third bowl and cover the whole of the patty well. These aloo tikki patties can be kept frozen for up to 3 weeks. In the first method, spray a little oil in the baking tray. Place the aloo tikkis, spray a little oil on top, then bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 22 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Halfway through baking, flip the tikkis once. For the second method, in a preheated air fryer, place the patties, spray a little oil and bake for 20 to 24 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Do not forget to flip once in between. For the third method, heat oil on medium to medium-high heat. Once the oil is 170 degrees Celsius to 175 degrees Celsius hot, gently lower the tikki into the oil and deep fry until golden color and crispy. For the pizza toppings, add some pizza sauce, onion rings, tomato rings without the seeds, then grated mozzarella cheese, colorful peppers, sweet corns, once again some grated mozzarella cheese as I love my pizza super cheesy, and finally garnish with olives. I sprinkle the pizzas with my favorite seasonings, which consist of smoky jalapeno roasted garlic, oregano and some Himalayan pink salt. It is up to you how you want to season or add any other different pizza toppings. Bake at 250 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 5 to 6 minutes. Alternatively, cover and cook the pizzas in a hot tawa on low heat for 4 to 5 minutes. The aloo tikki mini pizzas are ready to be served. A perfect fusion of a chatpata aloo tikki base, exotic seasonings, perfect blend of toppings and a cheesy finish makes this recipe finger-lickingly good. Please try this recipe once. If you liked my recipe, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.